Hello, and welcome back to our final week of helping you on your path towards your true north. I'm Stephanie from Immersive Spirit, and in this final session, we're talking about exploring the unknown and reimagining success. If you've ever felt stuck in a routine or wondered if there's more to life than the familiar patterns you've built, you're in the right place. Today, we explore how stepping into the unknown can bring magic and inspiration into your life, and how redefining success can anchor that magic, joy, fulfillment. So let's start with exploring the unknown. Often we live within the boundaries of what feels safe or familiar, our routines, our career paths, our social circles. But life has so much more to offer when we're willing to step outside of our comfort zones. Have you ever been asked to speak in front of a group or audience about a subject you're passionate about, but you're scared to death of public speaking? Did you make it happen anyway? That's an amazing example of stepping out of your comfort zone. By doing so, you not only opened up yourself to more possible insights, but you shared your knowledge with others. So here's how you can start exploring the unknown in your life. First, commit to one new experience each month. Choose something that feels exciting yet unfamiliar. This could be attending a creative workshop, exploring a nature retreat, or trying a spiritual practice like yoga or breath work. It doesn't have to be grandiose to be great. It just needs to stretch you in a way that invites your curiosity and wonder. Second, keep a magic journal. Use this journal to record synchronicities, inspirations, and unexpected insights. For example, after the public speaking, did you start to notice some subtle shifts in your thinking and about the new opportunities and how they're aligning with your intentions? Write these down to help you realize how much that magic is unfolding in your life. By committing to these small steps, you'll start to bridge the structured corporate world with the unseen possibilities that make the magic feel real. As you begin to explore the unknown, it's also important to rethink how you define success. Many of us are taught to measure success by external benchmarks, promotions, salaries, or those accolades. But true success is so much richer in that it's about joy, fulfillment, and living in alignment with your values. It's about waking up each day feeling connected to your purpose and knowing you're creating a life that feels meaningful to you. Here's a simple but powerful way to reimagine success. First, write down your true north success statement. Take some time, reflect on what a meaningful life looks like to you. Ask yourself, what brings me the deepest sense of joy and purpose? What kind of legacy do I want to create? Then write it down as a statement. For example, success to me means living with joy, creating meaningful connections, and contributing to something that's greater than myself. Step 2, revisit that statement regularly. Periodically check in with that statement and evaluate whether your actions still align with it. For instance, if your statement emphasizes joy and connection, ask if you're making enough time for the people and activities that bring you joy. This practice will help you stay aligned with your true north, ensuring that your definition of success evolves with you. Exploring the unknown and reimagining success are transformative tools that invite magic, wonder, and deeper meaning into your life. When you step outside your comfort zone, you expand your perspective and open yourself to all sorts of new possibilities. And when you redefine success on your own terms, you create a life that truly feels fulfilling, not just impressive on the surface. I encourage you to try something new this month, whether it's a class, a retreat, or even just a new way of thinking, and take the time to reflect on your definition of success. Write your true north statement and let it be a guiding light as you continue your journey. This wraps our tools for our 7-week series for navigating towards your true north, but it is just the beginning. At Immersive Spirit, we believe in supporting you every step of the way as you connect with your true north and really create that life of connection and joy and living your purpose. We invite you to join our programs. We have several. The Framework of Living Your Soul, which works on many different topics of spiritual development, or our Manifestation, Immersive Spirit Style. This is a super in-depth program that goes way beyond just writing down dreams and ideas for manifesting. We continue to explore these principles, and we help you develop more unique ideas and for your path to guide you in living with intention and trusting yourself and your own innate abilities. Together, we can uncover the magic and meaning that life has to offer. Thank you for being here and showing up for yourself, for trusting Immersive Spirit to be part of your journey. We can't wait to see what you create. Until then, remember, life is full of magic and wonder if you open yourself up to receive it.